If you had and you went, you made the right decision. On the other hand, if you had and you did not go, this video is for you because I am here to remind you that Paazuri residence in Malindi is selling out very, very fast. Now imagine the prices that we were selling in phase one, which is currently sold out, have drastically appreciated because the price that we were selling, for instance, I mentioned it, was 13 million. Right now in phase two, we're selling it at 15 million. Now, what am I trying to say? The point here is the best time to purchase property is now. Do not wait, do not postpone because the more you keep postponing, the more your dream property is going to slip away from you. All right? So make that decision right now. The property that you want to get it right now. All right? Because you are worth every dream property that you have. Now, my name is Elizabeth, and I am a property consultant at Wimark Properties. Thank you so much.